Well, I've been busy setting up the studio, setting up the gallery in my studio. This room used to be packed full of materials and supplies with drop cloths, and I decided, first of all, to remove the popcorn ceiling, which used to look like this. This is the other room, which will be on another adventure. But now it looks like this. And I'm just so pleased with it. Took a lot of work, scraping, filling, and then putting a metallic shimmer top coat. So it really looks nice with the art, and you can see I've got my furniture pieces in here that I finished with the finish that was inspired by some of my past artwork. This I had actually painted, sanded and painted. This is a really old piece. So I sanded it, and it was like in a chicken coop or something. I sanded and painted it and finished it to look like the old suite. And that's a 48 by 48. I've got my littles on panels, and also have done the detailing on the panels and painted them white just to bring out the black lines on the littles. Believe it or not, that is really time consuming. I had to tape each one and just paint it black at the top and make sure it didn't go on the piece. So just a detail that really makes a big difference. This one here is my Birds of Paradise stencil piece with shimmer suede stone on the back. A couple of my Rhyme Eclipse pieces. And a funky furniture piece that I already had, but I wanted to finish that. And these really turned out to be kind of cool. I really like them together, and they are available as a set of 3, 2 on each set, so they're available as the set. Most of these pieces you could find on my website. There is a special, a 20% off special, only through Monday, I believe. And then I may close up shop for a little while. This here, I still need to put this piece up. But this is just a little shelf that's going to have the signage piece on there. Here's another piece of furniture that I finished. I just love the style of this piece, so I left part of the wood coming through with the gilding on the legs and the black detail. You can see that. And it's got a neat top coat finish as well, with 3 coats of top coat on it for protection. And these pieces I thought went really well with that table that I finished. And this has some detailing on the top. The same pattern, this is actually the same pattern that I have over here. So I brought that same pattern in the frame pieces, and also this Castor Cares is what this is called. This is a 12 by 48 piece with a natural embellishment and then the white pattern on top. And this is a shelf piece that I had at home, and I finished to go with this. And you know, whether these sell together or not, I don't know. It was just something to add more inspiration and interest. That's kind of what I wanted to do. So this is a little mini art gallery of the show that I had. And I've got just one of my littles there sitting. So I'm doing the rest of the home, but I'm just not ready to show that yet.